Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Just been to Keynsham, got something in my bag. Let's see what we can find. Right, one leg, two legs. There's one more little bit in there somewhere. Oh yeah, that little bit. So, yeah, I think this may well have been played with in the store, left on the floor, and somebody's trodden on it. I picked up the pieces and took them to the counter, fully with the intention of paying for it and buying it. And they looked at it and said I'd better take it away. So I'm going to see if we can get that one back together. There are some bits that are definitely broken in it. One of the little pillars is missing there. That definitely comes off of there. So that's the bits that make him wiggle as he goes forwards. I've seen clockwork ones of these. I don't think I've seen a electric one before. So that'll be interesting to see if we can get it to work. Yeah, okay. So we'll do a video on that. I won't do it just now because I'm in the middle of doing something else, but we've just been out for our midday snack and I did have a little wander around the charity shops and that's what I found. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel. And down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.